boys and girls! Welcome again sa aming vlog. And then for today's video, we gonna explain on how we build our
kitchen window.
Yeah.
So there's a story behind this kitchen window. So I'll be real brief. If you look just off to the right here, we have the iron door that we just did recently. Well, what happened was the folks at the glass shop, they turned around and gave us the wrong glass. It was too short, and so it was tempered, and it was special designed IG insulated glass, and so it didn't fit in the iron door. So we had to have them remake the door. So Joey and I were like, what are we gonna do with this glass? We decided, hey, let's make a kitchen window out of it. But the problem with it's so big, you know, and we really wanted a window that was like this, but we wanted a little bit smaller one, about half the size. But this was a free window. So let me tell you a little story. You'll notice that I put some some risers here up and down both sides. And you're probably wondering why I did that. A lot of people just cut out the hole in the window, sit their window in, and build a frame and stick the window in there. But I've been studying some of the prefabs. And here in Texas, we have a place, a lot of places like in Austin, San Antonio, that build containers, temporary housing containers for offices and stuff like that for the oil fields. And so I've been taking a close look at how they make their windows. And if you remember the older videos that I did on the other one, I took a 1.5 inch angle iron, went around. Man, the problem with the angle iron is it warps. You start welding on this thing and it warps and leaks and has a big problem. But I ended up starting to do it this way. I really like this way. And the reason why is when you cut out the metal for the door, the window, the corrugated steel doesn't always line right back. They gets warped and bent and stuff. But if you put this vertical upright in here, then it keeps all the metal all straight and the windows nice and true. It's a lot of extra work. You got to weld, and yes, I welded both sides. So anyway, so real quick, what we did, this is not a typical window. This is a 1 inch thick dual glazed or insulated glass, and it's roughly 29 by 82 or something like that. And we just put urethane, RU418, all the way around the edge, and just slap the glass in there. So that's how we did it. We don't really want XO, you know, windows that open. I don't know very many people that actually open windows. It's either too hot to open a window or too cold to open up a window. So we're just going with all IG units like this, make it real simple. So anyway, so that's it for today on this. So don't hang up on us. I'll show you how we did this. One more thing, I want you to see, look what's going on in the background here. Yeah, we're building a 12-foot bay window. It's going to have 3 big pieces of glasses sitting here. You can see the frame. So stay tuned because there's more to come. This is going to be probably a 2-parter because it's a lot of work, and don't expect it to come by, you know, for us to release it anytime soon. This is a lot of work. You thought the iron door was a lot of work. That one's a lot of work. Anyway, so stay with us. So we'll show you how we did the bay window. And anyway, you got anything else you want to say to the family back home?
Stay tuned.
Yeah. So ciao for now. Remember, there's more to come. We show you how we did this. Ciao for now.